is a story of how having babies surpassed all odds. Being high school sweethearts and being told that we won't last, we are now 20 plus years in and raising a beautiful family. Stay tuned with our crazy family and our wild adventures. All right, on our way. We just went up the escalator. Let's see how bad. Oh wow, security doesn't look bad at all.
This is normal. No wait, no.
Oh yeah, okay, that's nice.
I don't know.
Okay, so we got past the security and then we passed our gate to come to where all the food is. We just got pepperoni and I got cheese and then my mom got garlic nuts and then we both got a crush. JJ's trying to figure out how to work that thing.
Eyes are blurry.
Okay, well hitting it doesn't help.
Hitting it helps everything. That's the only answer I think.
Finished eating. They had like a little pizza slices. I had me like a little sandwich. AJ also had a little croissant, but now he went to go get more food because it's really small and it's very expensive. We just spent like $80 and we each had like one little thing, but whatever. It's the airport food. Can't complain. But then we're gonna start heading to our gate so we can start boarding. So we're definitely really bad. Welcome to Kingston! We just got to Jamaica! I actually made a little video inside, but then they made me erase it, like saying you can't record inside the airport, but yeah. So right now AJ is looking to get a cab for us, but every cab that we see is kind of small. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 5 suitcases and 4 of us. So I guess we're gonna have to find like a big SUV or something. But yeah, welcome to. Oh. Haha, you have to look up to your brother. Ha 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 ha.
I'm wishing all the teachers are really positive and healthy mentally, spiritually, financially. But let's go now to your book, because I think this is a great book for all our teachers out there. It's called Teaching and Learning Nuggets, a motivational guide for teachers and trainers and all of us need a little motivation in our lives to start that engine. And I wanted to share with me your book, please. Heather, tell me about your book, my lady.
About the family.
Okay, we are getting ready to leave. Come on, guys. We're gonna go to like, I'm gonna go get AJ's at a haircut. Then we're gonna go to the store. I need to buy dog food because there's a lot of doggies out here and I feel really bad for them. And then we're gonna go to some like, it's called, what is it called? Milk River?
Hey, it's not Milk River. It's a mineral bath, mineral river.
Alright, come on guys, let's go. Are we ready now? Everybody good? Are we leaving?
Did you finish the apple juice that was mom's?
No, we all killed it. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, I travel.
And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, she forces us to go business. There's a cup holder right next to
Not anymore. Oh, hi little goat. Is she pregnant? Is she gonna charge at the car? Oh my god, is that a baby goat?
Oh, that's big.
Oh, that's a baby baby goat? Is that the mama? Is that the other baby goat?
It's definitely that.
I thought it was hot.
It is hot, but I wonder.
see it.
Oh, you scared him. They're everywhere. You know how like in Florida, there's ducks everywhere? Here, there's like goats everywhere. Hi, Mr.
Did
Goat.
you just call him like you would a dog?
Yeah, I figured the sound would get his attention.
Is that a mama?
I guess so.
Look at that. Oh yeah, you see her titty?
How am I supposed to call him? Like,
Wow.
here, go.
See the tomatoes?
I want my sunglasses. You think she's being overly friendly on purpose?
I'm sorry, say that again?
So this is my husband's supermarket in Jamaica. That's a business that him and his father own. So we just came to check it out.
5,000 cars at a bulk for a really good price, right? And then ships it here. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Why?
No.
Oh,
Lift it up, lift it up.
Look, turn the camera around. Turn the camera around.
So when a truck
Oh
comes,
hell
you
no.
said that yesterday. You said turn the camera off. Around, so you don't see the truck.
So what the fuck are we supposed to do? Just reverse? There's no way the truck is gonna get through. Who the fuck is he honking at?
You're speeding, my guy.
AJ, you're speeding.
Oh, you got
There's no seatbelt in this car and we're all gonna die. Ah! You see? The car just came out of nowhere.
Came around the corner.
And not only that, like,
Look at their house, how big Natalie's Barbara's house is.
ooh. All right, so today is day 3 of getting ready to go out and do stuff. Right now, the babies are having breakfast, provided by the lovely Fiona. He still needs to get ready. My princess is already ready. We're packing a little suitcase. We're gonna stay at like this little resort. We're gonna go to Portland to do some stuff and then stay in the resort. Okay, so we are about to get inside the car. Oh, look, a dog.
That's the dog that was just barking at me, so.
What a loving dog. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to go inside the car. This is welcome to Kingston, Jamaica.
Welcome to Kingston.
Oh, damn.
Or I wanted to show you another place so you can choose from too.
Yeah, show us another place.
Okay. Can we go to 2 places?
Yeah.
Can we go here and then get in a car and then go to the other?
Okay.
Okay.
Stay here for a little.
So we're going with this guy who volunteered to give us a tour, right? And that one. But I told AJ, what if he's taking us down for us to get murdered, like beaten, raped, tortured, murdered, sold? I don't know. Where he volunteered to take us on a tour. I'm scared. Look, where's he taking us? What if he's taking us for us to get murdered? Fiona, what if he's taking us for us to get murdered?
I don't think so.
Why not, Fiona? How do you know, Fiona?
I don't.
What if?
My instinct.
What if he's taking us and then he holds us for ransom and then figures out no one has money to rescue us and then kills us? Exactly, that's what I'm saying. And then what if he figures out that there's no ransom money because we all poor, and then he kills us?
I don't think he would be able to overpower so much of us.
No, what if he has people up in the mountain?
No. That's another thing.
You see? What if he lures people to go up the mountain to where his people are at, and then he kills us?
Dad? Oh, he's running back.
JJ. Is that where they're gonna keep us?
Oh my God.
This is not even a walkway anymore.
Oh, there's a big one right there.
A snake?
Go, 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 go. Let's go.
You guys want us to run over the snake? Okay, so what are you guys looking at? A crab? He's gonna bite my ankles. Where is he? Ah! A crab, oh my God. This is not even a walkway. Yay, we're here. Yay. Oh, piggies.
Look to the right. It's right here for 30 minutes.
Huh?
Nothing's here. Just continue walking. Nothing's here, Mom.
Hi, piggy. Hi.
We're coming back. I don't know. That's right. Can we go down there?
Oh, hell no, we can't go down
I'm
there.
not going down there.
We're gonna fall down. We're gonna slip down.
How else can we get there?
Oh, hell to the no. We're scared. Aww.
When I was younger, I lived in my country.
Okay, so update. We're not dead. We're
I
alive.
know.
We're alive! We're just gonna get in this water, go to the other place, and go home. It's way too cold. Oh my God, it's cold. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. I want to see how far in I can get. Yesenia! Be careful. Oh. Shoes. Oh. Yeah, the waters are coming in even. Wow. Alright, let's go before Dad gets mad. Alright, bye bye. Let's take fellow to this place. Bye bye. We are at a different beach right now. We left the other place. It started pouring, so I didn't get our. We're inside a little tiki right now. It's called a what? What is it called?
It's a gazebo.
We're inside a gazebo right now because
That seems a bit targeted.
so we're gonna get in this beach. Okay, let's go.
What's have to be a tiki?
Oh. Oh, I wonder how I can get there. Is it good? Woo! Cheers. Okay. Okay, guys, go. Guys, go under the water. Oh, look, a coconut!